भगवान आपका भला करे।
Welcome aboard Baby Bus Train. I'm your captain, Kiki. There's a barrier up ahead. Let's raise the barrier. Good job. Let's continue on our way. We have arrived at the freight station. Let's load the goods. We have arrived at the freight station. Let's load the goods onto the train. You're awesome! Let's keep going. Cargo handling mission accomplished. Let's head for the next station. The sand is blocking the way. Let's clear the track. Good job. Let's continue on our way. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get on the train. Hi! Hi! We're about to go on Baby Bus Little Train. Here is my train ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Knife. Lighter. Thank you. Here's my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the knife. Scissors. Thank you. Here's my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Let's firecrackers. Lighter. Thank you. The passengers are on board. Keep going. We have arrived at the inspection station. Let's check the train. The coal is not enough. Let's add some to the train. Good job. Let's continue on our way. The train has been maintained. Let's continue on our journey. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get on the train. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get off the train. Hi! Hi! Stamp the train ticket. Here is my suitcase. Bye, Baby Bus Little Train. Stamp the train ticket. Here is my suitcase. Bye, Baby Bus Little Train. Hey, we're about to go on Baby Bus Little Train.